In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add testimonials. To begin, go to your theme area and open the Customize option. This is where you control how your store looks, and it is the right place to build a clean testimonial section without needing any code. Once you are in the theme customizer, take a moment to confirm you are editing the correct theme and page area where you want the testimonials to appear. Next, add a multi-column section. This layout is ideal for testimonials because it lets you display several quotes side by side on desktop while still staying easy to read. After the section is added, find the heading setting for that section and change it to Testimonials. This heading is what visitors will see first, so keep it simple and direct. Now go into the section settings and enable Swipe on Mobile. This is an important detail because columns can get tight on smaller screens. With Swipe enabled, mobile visitors can smoothly move through each testimonial without the text feeling cramped or hard to follow. It helps the section look more polished and improves the user experience. After that, click into each column within the multi-column section. You will add the name and the quote for each testimonial here. Keep each quote short and specific and use consistent formatting across columns so the section looks balanced. For names, use the format you prefer but stay consistent from one column to the next. Then to add extra social proof, paste star emojis into the text field along with the testimonial content. Place them where they make the most sense visually, such as above the quote or next to the customer feedback, and use the same number of stars for each column if you want a uniform look. This small touch can help the testimonials stand out and feel more credible at a glance. Finally, click Save. Always save before leaving the customizer to make sure your changes are published properly. That covers everything you need to know.